All right, for this next step, we will be installing the SSD. This process is the same if you have to swap out the SSD or remove it when collection is done. So you can see that there are these two bolts here. You're going to unthread them. All right, place both of the screws in these holes and then open it up. You'll see here that you have a USB port and then a holder. You're going to take your SSD and you're going to take the USB and plug it in. Be a good connection. Then you're going to take your SSD and you're going to pop it inside of the designated holder. Now you need to make sure that everything fits within the confines of this holder. Close it. And now you want to make sure that this sits flush against the base plate. You want to take your knobs now and tighten it back up all the way down. All right,